How to change the system navigation settings, whether it's the swipe gestures or the three-button navigation. This is the Infinix Hot 30 smartphone or any other Infinix phone with Android 13. Let's get started. Wherever you are on your phone, you'll want to use the quick panel access like this right here and tap on the settings right there. This is going to take you to the main settings of your Infinix phone here. And the next thing I want you to do now is go all the way down until you see where it says System. As you enter here now, you're going to see a few other options, and one of them would be the system navigation, this right there. At default or out of the box, you'll most likely have it set to the three-button navigation, which is these buttons right here. So if you have it set as that, you have some more settings here that you might want to go ahead and check out. You can swap over the layout where the bottom section kind of switches over. As you can see, it makes the switch with the recents and the back, okay? You also have turning off of the long press of the home button for voice assistant, and if you don't want that, you'll turn that off, okay? Now, if you are a person that prefers the navigation gestures where you're swiping, you want to switch to this here. And there is a gesture tutorial to show you how this is all going to work, okay? But the basics goes as follows here. When you swipe up like this here, that's your home. When you swipe and hold like this here, that's gonna take you to the recents view mode here. And then on top of that here, if you wanna go back, let's just say you are in an app here like that, and you swipe from either edge, you are simply just going back, okay? But of course, as always, if you want to go back to these settings to change it back to the home buttons here, just come back here. And if you prefer the three buttons here, just go to this one here and you should be good to go. Like and sub.